Yep, sanibonani guys, sanibonani. I was not aware, bafethu. As an Orlando Pirates fan, I was not aware. Keegan Dolly is playing in the National First Division. Ubani ongacabanga ukuthi Dolly bekangadlala ku-National First Division, bafethu, and he's struggling. He is struggling ne-Cape Town City lapha ku-National First Division. My point is, bafethu, it all happened because ugijimisa imali. If bekungasiyo imali ngabe akadlali lapha uDolly. Dolly bekagijimisa imali kakhulu. I-career yakhe asaseyintwana futhi. Yabo. So ama-player need to learn from uDolly, iy'ntwana ezidlala elokishini ukuthi sometimes ungayigijimisa imali but izogcina ikufake la uqale khona. Nangu uKeegan Dolly. 15 years later, ubuyele la aqale khona. 15 years later, ubuyele la aqale khona. Ibhola alinaqiniso bafethu, ibhola alinaqiniso. Bheka ukuthi ustrugglisha kanjani, udlala ney'ntwana ezifunda e-high school lapha. Ziyamaka, azidlali naye ziyamaka. Hluleka nokukora igoli eli-one, cabanga mfethu. Dolly. Former Champions League winner. Yo.